In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see someone's connections on LinkedIn. Let's dive straight in, shall we? The first thing you'll need to do is head over to LinkedIn.com. It's always a good idea to bookmark the site if you find yourself visiting it frequently, just to save a bit of time. Once you're on the website, go ahead and log in using your preferred method. You can sign in using Google or Microsoft, which can be real-time savers if you're already logged into these accounts. Alternatively, you can use the traditional route by entering your email address and password. Just make sure that your login info is both secure and memorable. Though it's often helpful to use a password manager for this sort of thing. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you might be prompted by LinkedIn to verify your identity, using a code sent to your phone. I can't stress enough the importance of this extra layer of security. It's a simple step that can prevent unauthorized access to your account. Now, for the key part to see someone's connections. You must have a first-degree connection with them. This essentially means you need to be directly connected to them on LinkedIn. Without this relationship status, the feature to view their connections won't be available. It's fairly straightforward but definitely important to remember. Next, you need to navigate to the LinkedIn profile page of the person whose connections you want to see. You can easily do this by using the search bar at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. Once you've located their profile, look below their profile picture for their connections. Generally, you'll find this information right below the profile picture. If the connection count on their profile is visible and appears as a clickable link, then you're in luck. You can click on it, and you'll be directed to a page showing their connections. Keep in mind, though, that LinkedIn imposes a limit. You'll only be able to view up to a maximum of 0 connections, even if they have more. However, if you find that you can't see the list, it might simply mean you're not directly connected to them. Which, as mentioned before, is a necessary requirement to access this information. If that's the case, consider reaching out to connect with them. Perhaps with a personalized message explaining who you are and why you'd like to connect. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can conveniently access someone's LinkedIn connections. I hope you find this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy networking on LinkedIn.